The Valence pod detection system is Trafficware's answer to a smart and flexible detection system, providing stop bar detection, lane occupancy, vehicle counts, and vehicle speed data. The system uses a wireless magnetometer installed in the roadway to sense disturbances in the Earth's magnetic field that are caused by the presence of a vehicle. Algorithms interpret this disruption and characterize it into meaningful and reliable data. In this short video, we will review the key components, their basic functionality, and how to install the pod sensor. The Valence pod detection system is composed of three primary components: the base station, the access point and antenna, and the pods. Located in the control cabinet, the base station has the computing power of a full ATC controller, and it is the heart of the system. The SDLC connection for TS2 cabinets allows for direct connect and eliminates the need for loop detector racks. A detector card interface is available for Caltrans cabinets. The base station can emulate from 1 to 4 BIUs and can run in parallel with other forms of detection. The Pod Connect user interface is preloaded onto the base station. This browser-based application provides a graphical user interface for system configuration, monitoring, and data collection. The access point is typically mounted on the mast arm and provides two-way wireless communications between the base station and the pods. It includes an omnidirectional antenna to reach pods at the intersection. The long-range directional antennas are mounted adjacent to the access point and are used for advanced detection up to 700 feet away, thus eliminating the need for costly repeaters mounted on supplemental poles. The pod is a stout and stocky puck mounted in the roadway at key locations. It collects vehicle data and communicates this information using a 900 MHz wireless communication back to the access point. The pod has an industry-leading D-sized lithium battery and provides up to 10 years of life. The pod can be removed for battery replacement or relocation. Each pod has a unique ID, which can be scanned by a handheld device for easy input into the system for configuration. This should be done prior to installation. Installation is simple and requires minimal equipment, including a 4.5-inch diamond-tipped coring bit, a wet-cutting coring drill, a shop vac, a torch, quick-dry epoxy for securing the pod, and a dual applicator. First, mark the location on the road where each pod will be installed. Using the wet coring drill outfitted with a 4.5-inch diamond-tipped bit, cut down to 2.75 inches, checking periodically to verify depth. Once the desired depth is reached, use the shop vac to remove any debris and excess water, creating a nice clean surface. To ensure that the surface is completely dry for optimal bonding of the epoxy, use a torch to remove any remaining moisture. Next, cover the bottom of the hole with the quick dry epoxy and insert the pod. When inserting the pod, make sure it is level and that the arrow is pointing in the direction of traffic. Fill the remaining portion of the hole with epoxy up to the surface of the roadway and let it cure for at least 5 minutes prior to reopening the lane.